Hello guys, for those of you that are actually mining the Sogni airdrop, okay, here is an update for you. All right, you want to go to click on the three dot icon menu and you want to actually put your Sogni um change it to the desktop site. You want to make sure that this desktop site is being ticked good right here. Okay, the reason why the desktop site is needed to be ticked good is for you to be able to see the platform, the whole information on the Sogni platform. All right, so there's a whole lot of difference when you are using the mobile view on your mobile screen. Okay, this is for people that are actually using mobile devices. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's actually on the desktop view. Okay, so once you've switched on to your desktop view, you're going to see your page will be like this. It's going to show like this, and you then notice something that you haven't been seeing before. You see a leaderboard section right here. If I should zoom in real quick, you will see the leaderboard ranking and the artist, and my ranking is around 9,577. Okay, so if you want to go view into this leaderboard and see what it's all about, all right, this page is going to give you a lot of information pertaining this airdrop. Okay, so it's not about just logging into the platform every day and accumulating points or referring people. It's not just all about that. So this is actually the leaderboard section right here below. There are a lot of people right here, and there's a countdown section for the airdrop reward snapshot that is going to occur in the next 5 days. So I want you all to do this real quick between now and the next 5 days, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to get more tokens. Okay, so what you need to do now, if you read this, you see that Sogni is airdropping 4 million Sogni tokens shortly after mainnet launch. All right, it also says that the more you create, the higher your rank, and the more you earn. You need to view some terms and conditions there. You can see the first person on the leaderboard is earning as spent token spent has spent over 212,000 tokens to be ranking at the top of the leaderboard. So basically I'm around 9,500 positions on the leaderboard because I've started spending my tokens. It's not just accumulating your tokens, the testnet tokens, and also coming to the daily section and claiming 200 testnet tokens every day. It's not just about that. You need to create an artwork automatically to get more tokens. Now I'll be teaching you how you'll be able to go about this creating of an artwork right now. All right, so what you need to do now, if I should zoom into the screen a bit so you can see what I'm doing right here, you see this star section here. Click on it. Remember on the first video I told you that there might be a use of this particular section, but right now I've understood everything and I'm going to share it with you. So once you've clicked on that star section, you're going to see your page will be loading like this. And if you notice a tiny arrow here, you can see this tiny arrow. Let me zoom into it. You see this tiny arrow. Once you click on it, it's going to give you another menu right here on the left side bar. A tab is going to pop up and you see a prompt here. Now this is just basically what you need to do on a repetitive command. You just need to repeat this process to go up to climb up the leaderboard. Okay, so basically what you want to do, you see these icons here. Okay, make sure that this one is actually in 16. You can change it to any one, and the smaller it is, the smaller the tokens that they will be charging you. So you want to put it at the maximum, so they will charge you a lot more tokens so that you'll be moving up the leaderboard real quick. Okay, then you want to just type any random words here. It doesn't really matter. You can repeat it, it doesn't really matter. Okay, then you want to go to these steps here, increase these steps to the maximum. And once you've increased the steps, you see that the amount of tokens that will be needed to perform this task is going to increase, which means you'll be going higher in the leaderboard. So after you've done these two things, put it on maximum 16 and also increase the step to the maximum, then you want to go and click on imagine. Click on imagine right now. Once you click on imagine, it's going to put you up in a queue, and after this queue is being count down from to 0, it will then create images right here that will be showing here. So you can see the queue is counting down. The queue is counting down all the way. It's counting down. You can see. So just give it a bit of time to count down to 0. All right, then you see your images will be generated right here. So before we wait for that particular thing, there's something I want to show you here. If you come to this, also the wallet section, you'll see pending debit. Okay, you see that each of these tags I'm actually prompting, I'm creating right now, is going to show on my recent account history. And right here you see that if you read the usage of this particular thing, you see the amount that has been debited from my Sogni tokens. And now my leaderboard is going to increase a bit. After the next one is going to be debited, then I'm going to go higher on the leaderboard. So now let's go see this one we just did and see if it has come up. All right, so it's still loading. So let's see. Let's just wait a bit for it to load, and then we can move on to the I can show you some more explanations on these particular features. These are kind of like randomly generated AI pictures. You can literally use it to generate any picture of your choice, any picture, by putting the prompt here, your command. This is like the command section where you prompt the AI on what to do. So once you told the AI what you want, AI is going to automatically generate it by imagining the what you need for you, and then you be able to maybe screenshot that particular pictures that will be generated here on your phone or your desktop and save it directly to your device. All right, but for now, for the sake of the task and the what we are heading towards, I'm just going to keep on regenerating multiple pictures over and over and over until I'm going higher on my leaderboard, because that's the aim of what I'm trying to do, to climb the leaderboard so I can be able to access more tokens on the day of the distribution. So you can see the imagining of the photos have begun, and the AI has began creating multiple image for me to match the descripted image on my prompt. All right, so these are just like a brown sky with tables and all that and all that. You can see there are multiple pictures here. You can just select anyone and save on your phone. All right, so I've done that particular task. I'm going to repeat it again. And just click, as in repeat the process all over again. So if I should check my wallet now, you see that my position, the particular tax has added here. This was 2 here, now it's done 3. You can see it has been debited from my account, and my leaderboard position has increased from 95,000 and it has reduced down to 93,601. So if you keep on doing this process over and over and over, you'll be climbing up the leaderboard. And what they say, like they said on the leaderboard section where we just read, you see that more tokens, the more you get more, the more you perform this task, the more you get more, you are eligible to get more tokens. So that's just it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video and you learned something new on Sogni airdrop. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll be leaving my referral link for those of you that are actually looking to jump into this project right now. If you have not started mining, I'll be leaving my referral link in the description, so you'll be able to use it to jump into this project real quick. All right, that's it for today, guys. Have a wonderful day and enjoy yourselves.